Hello dear students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And the topic of my lecture is Basics of Essay Writing. Now, when we see the definition of an essay, we can define it as the word essay is defined as a literary composition, usually prose and short, on any subject. Basically, it is a written composition depicting a person's own personal thoughts, ideas, opinions, views on any of the chosen topic. So let's once again see that what does the essay define. It is, first of all, it is a literary composition, and usually it is prose and it is short on any of the given topic or any of the subject. Basically, it is a written composition depicting a person's own critical views, his own thoughts, ideas or opinions on the given topic. That means the essay has an individuality factor to it. And unlike when we have read already paragraph and précis, so it is different from paragraph and précis because they do not have the individuality factor. But here essay, the writer is free to depict his own personal thoughts or critical views. So this is the definition of an essay. Now when we look at a good essay, we can see few features or characteristics such as unity, order, concise or short or brief, simple and intelligible for the readers, and personal touch of the writers. Now let us first look at the first factor, unity. Essay should retain unity as a single piece of composition. The parts should not be disjointed. So when the reader is reading an essay, he should see that the whole parts of the essay are united and coherent and logical in order. Okay, second factor is order. There should be an orderly manner in treatment of the subject. Here subject means the topic or the theme of the essay. That is to say that the parts of the essay should be organized in the order, then only the essay conveys the real theme. Then the third factor is brevity or concise or brief or terse. The essay should be concise and terse. That means that irrelevant and out of theme topics should not be included in the essay. For example, if you are writing about global pollution, then you should not write about political factors, political scene or any other kind of topic. It should be only about the global pollution. The essay should be neither too short nor too long. It should be crisp and straightforward. Then next factor is simple and intelligible for the readers. For the students, it is best that the essay is kept simple and also it is intelligible for the readers. The essay should be written in such a way that when the reader starts reading, the writer should know that he has no prior knowledge. The reader has no prior knowledge of the topic, and then the writer is depicting the total views of that topic. So that should be the level of intelligibleness of the essay. Then personal touch of the writer. Here it means that there should be individuality in the essay. The essay should be written in a personal style. Every writer has their own personal style, and this essay should show personal critical view of the writer. Now, let's look at the types or variants of essay. The first type of essay is narrative. In narrative essay, the writer narrates a story about his own personal experience. Narrative essay is often told from a point of view of the author and is filled with the personal details. So this is called narrative essay. Then moving on to second type, descriptive essay. Descriptive essay is an essay that describes something. Either it can be an object, a person, an event, a place, experience, emotion, or an idea. The aim of such essays are to provide readers with detailed description of the chosen topic. Then moving on to next type is expository essay. Expository essay requires the writer to research and investigate an idea, gather supporting evidence, and present a point of view or argument on that topic. Then next variant is reflective essay. Reflective essay describes an event or experience which is then analyzed. Writer reflects upon that, what he has learned from that experience, that past experience. Writer analyzes a past event from the present. Then last type is imaginative essay. Imaginative essay expresses the writer's thoughts and feelings in an imaginative, often unique and poetic way. Then let's move on to parts of an essay. Every essay has a beginning, a middle, and an end. So this is the basic structure of an essay. It has a beginning called introduction. The first paragraph is the introduction. The next three paragraphs consists of the main body of the essay. The fifth and final paragraph is called conclusion. Now let's analyze the first paragraph, that is introduction. The introduction is the first paragraph of the essay. It basically introduces the main idea, theme of the essay. The introduction must be interesting to the reader and able to show its importance and relevance at first glance. So what we have learned from these lines is that introduction is the first paragraph of the essay. When we start writing essay, that is called introduction. And in this introduction paragraph, the main idea or the main topic or the theme of the essay is introduced to the reader. And it is important that this introduction pulls readers towards the essay. That means it creates interest among the readers. Now let's see, introduction usually has three parts. First, the hook. This is the dramatic opener sentence. Then second, the transitional sentence. Then the thesis statement. This is a sentence depicting idea of the essay. Now let's look into the detail of the dramatic opener sentence or the hook sentence. The hook or dramatic opener sentence may consist of one or two sentences that makes an influential, a credible effect on the reader and creates interest in the minds of the reader for the essay topic. It is often a short sentence and is placed before topic sentence. Topic sentence here means the thesis statement. Now the second, the transitional sentence. The transitional sentence connects the hook or opening sentence to the thesis statement. So we must remember, first comes the opener sentence, the hook sentence, then comes the transitional sentence, that may be one or two sentence, then comes the topical or the thesis statements. So this transitional sentence is important because it gives the paragraph a logical, organizational and a structure stability. Then the thesis statement. Thesis statement is actually one or two sentence that states the idea of the essay. Function of a thesis statement is to first clearly express what the essay is about. Then second, make a discussable point. Third, it also indicates the structure of the essay. So the introduction should contain these three parts: the hook, the transitional sentence and the thesis statement. Okay, after introduction comes the main body of the essay. These paragraphs develop the main idea of the essay. Main body of the essay can be divided into 2 or 3 paragraphs or more depending on the length of the essay. Each paragraph in the main body of the essay should have topic sentence, detail sentence, concluding or transitional sentence. So here we are talking about the paragraphs. Okay, for the college level students, I think that 3 paragraphs are more than enough in the main body of the essay. And in these 3 paragraphs, each of the 3 paragraphs, there should be a topic sentence, a detailed sentence and a concluding transitional sentence which connects to the other paragraph when you will start writing after this. So let's see in detail about the topic sentence. Topic sentence tells the reader what the paragraph is going to be about. Then detailed sentence, here the writer will describe about the topic. The paragraph can have many detailed sentences which explains reader about the topic. Each detailed sentence can include an example if the author likes. Then after detailed sentence comes the concluding or transitional sentence. This sentence wraps up what has been explained to the readers and gets them ready for the next paragraph. Here next paragraph means the next paragraph of the main body till the main body ends. Then comes the conclusion, which is the end of the paragraph. This is the last paragraph of the essay. It consists of conclusions and findings. Writer can pen down his personal opinion about the theme, topic of the essay. Concluding paragraph has 2 parts. The summary statement, which reinforces the essay's main theme. Second, the clincher or closure sentence. Okay, so the summary statement is actually summarization of the rest of the essay that has been written. It is like a summary statement, the statement which has been summarized, which has been already written in the main body and the introduction of the essay. Then the last sentence in the conclusion is the clincher or the closure statement. It is a final thought by the writer depicted to its reader. It is the final way of expression by the author to the reader that what he has thought about it, and he is closing his essay. Then comes the revision and proofreading of the essay. Revision should be done by every writer throughout the writing process of the essay. Revision does not mean recopying, but analyzing and making any changes to the content of the essay. Writer, while revising, can check for clarity, lucidity. Lucidity means clearness, logicality and unity of the essay. So what we see is that actually a good writer does revision throughout the writing process, and revision does not basically means recopying what you have already written, but you are analyzing and making changes to the content of the already written essay. And here a writer, when he is revising, he must ask a few questions like, is essay lucid and clear? Does all the paragraph depict the central theme of the essay? And is the essay logical and ideas are flowing smoothly? Then only it will become intelligible. Okay, next, proofreading. Proofreading actually means that it is required to check the unity, clarity, brevity and consistency of the essay, by which we have to see that grammar of the essay is correct, word choice is correct, spelling is correct, there is correct capitalization, quotations are cited, quotations are correct, references should be checked before finishing off. Proofreading is different from revision in the sense that revision aims at improving the content of the essay, but proofreading aims at correcting errors, punctuations, capitalization, spelling and grammar and other technical aspects of the essay. Okay, here are some of important topics for this year, like importance of law in India, coronavirus, a global problem, importance of English, environmental pollution, Article 370, issue of CAA and NRC, internet and online education, cyber security, united we stand, divided we fall. It is also imperative for the student, it is also required for the student that if they want to practice other topics which I have missed, they should, because there are some also other important topics which may come in the exams. Okay, that's it for the basics of essay writing. Thank you.